Hello, welcome. These are the materials you will need: a 3.5 size of yarn with a 3 color and a glue, and you will need 3.5 millimeter crochet hook, a fiber fill. So if you want to make this sunflower, then let's go ahead for the tutorial. For round 1, magic ring, chain, and then do 8 single crochet inside the ring. Once you have 8 single crochet, pull the tail of the yarn. Then for round 2, do a increase in each of the chain for 16 stitches. And then for round 3, single crochet in that first chain, and then mark it. And then in the next chain, do a increase or 2 single crochet in the same stitch. Repeat single crochet and increase in the next around for 24 stitches. Now for round 4, single crochet in the next 2 stitches. This is 1, and then single crochet in the next, and then increase in the next. Repeat single crochet in the next 2 stitches and increase in the next around for 32 stitches. And then for round 5, just single crochet each of the stitches around for 32 stitches. For round 6, single crochet in the next 2 stitches. This is 1, and then single crochet in the next chain, and then front loop only, and front loop only in the next, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through 2. Repeat single crochet 1, single crochet in the next, and then repeat front loop only, decrease in the next around for 24 stitches. And then for round 7, single crochet in the first, and then front loop only, decrease in the next, repeat around for 16 stitches. For round 8, do a front loop only, decrease around for 8 stitches. Once done with the round 8, pull the yarn and then fill with fiber fill. And cut the yarn. Now let's make the stem. Remove the stitch marker. And then insert your green yarn in that back loop only. In that back loop. Here. This is our back loop. Insert the hook right there and then make a chain. And then insert your hook on that 2 loop on that same stitch in the front and back, and do a single crochet with the tail. Single crochet, and then that's our first stitch and mark it. And then just do a single crochet spiral for 20 rounds. Once you completed the 20 rounds, this is what it looked like. And then pull up this yarn here, and then we fill with fiber fill. Then once you fill with the fiber fill, cut the yarn, and then take your darning needle, insert your darning needle in the front loop only, and then sew the 8 stitches. Now let's make the petal. Hide the first stitches that we start here, and then bend like this. Count 4 rounds and insert your hook in the 2 stitches here. Insert the yellow yarn, make a chain of 5, four half double crochet in the next 4 chains, and insert your hook on that previous hole, going to the next 2 stitches, and then slip stitch, and repeat chain of 5 and then 4 half double crochet in the next 4 chains, and then insert your hook on that previous, going across to the 2 stitches, slip stitch, and repeat for 16 petals in total. Once you finish your 16 petal, cut the yarn, pull up this tail, take your darning needle, and then we will insert this tail to that first petal. Tie the tail twice, and then cut the yarn. You can cut a dark color of yarn to make the eyes and the smiley mouth of the sunflower, and then you can glue it on the center. For the leaves, slip knot, chain of 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, slip stitch or connect in that first chain, and then chain of 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, half double crochet, second chain from the hook, and then 3 treble crochet in the next 3 chains, and then double crochet in that last chain. Skip chain, skip that first chain and slip stitch on that next chain. Repeat chain of 6, half double crochet, second chain from the hook, 3 treble crochet in the next 3 chains, and then double crochet in the last. Repeat for 1 more leaf. skip one and slip stitch on the next, and then slip stitch the next 2 chains. Cut the yarn and hide the tails inside the stitches. And then we can insert this leaf below, going to the top. So there you have it. You have your sunflower. And click here for the Path and Dirt tutorial. And thank you so much for watching.